How to buy GTA 5 on Steam. For this, open up a browser that you prefer and search for steam.com. Right here, make sure you are logged into your Steam account first and foremost. Tap on the store option given to you. Now in here, you will find a lot of games that you can purchase. To search for your GTA 5 in the search bar, go ahead and type in GTA. And it will suggest you itself GTA 5, so go ahead and tap open. Right here, you can even view some of the preview of the GTA 5 clips. You can see here are the options of some of the editions of the GTA that you can purchase, and along of the side it will also display how much it cost and how much you are getting in discount. Tap on add to cart in any one of this edition that you prefer. Tap on purchase for myself from this option. Then you have to sign into your Steam account, so go ahead and do that. For the payment method, you will have option of PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover and JCB. You can just go ahead and select any. If you have selected your card, then you have to fill out the card number, expiration date, security codes, and also your billing information. Then once you do that, just tap on the continue icon, and just like that, you'll be able to purchase yourself GTA 5. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.